clever ways of doing that. SETI is looking for radio signals.
Methane in the atmospheres?
Methane's an interesting one. A lot of the planets have methane in their atmospheres. Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. So methane is unstable under certain circumstances, like on Earth, and our atmosphere is fundamentally different than those gas giants. But methane is relatively unstable. It tends to combine with things. So if you see an atmosphere of, say, a terrestrial planet, something small like the Earth, that's also stick oxygen in an atmosphere, let the planet sit, and in 100 years it should all be gone. But on Earth it's not, because we have a supply of it from plants. So if you saw that, that would be a much stronger indicator. The only thing is, the universe is very tricksy, and I don't necessarily, if we saw O2, I would be very excited. But I would say that the universe is very clever, and it might come up with a way of producing O2 that we haven't thought of. I'd like to have a series of indicators. We'll have to wait and see.
Okay, I've named a planet's moon's moon. We shall forever call them a Moony Moo Moo.
No.
Okay.
That's going to catch on.
That's not the next moon. That's not Moonlet's not bad.
Moonlet's already in use for tiny moons. You guys are going to have a hard time getting that past the IAU, International